Life might not be all about the things you buy, but buying the right thing at the right time can hopefully bring a smile to your face. Let's start by clicking on Shop from the Life menu. Now let's click on the Go Shopping button. Now let's select which store you wish to shop from. And now the item that you want to take a look at. Like many choices in Qual, your choice has a chance of being a positive result, neutral result, or negative result. When you're comfortable with the odds and the rewards, click on the Accept Chances and make this purchase button. It will let you know what the result is, and add your purchase to your purchase history. Enjoy looking through some of the stores and the things you can buy. If you are a community owner, you can add stores and store inventory by clicking on the Settings button.
Enjoy the journey at QOL.Gold.